Rewrite. Something AI is the latest AI software that's quickly gaining attention, and today we're going to dive deep into the 7 crucial things you need to know before you start using it. If you've been on the lookout for fresh AI tools, or you're already researching RewriteSomething, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this might be the next game changer in your workflow. You can try it for free using the link in the description below, so make sure to check that out after the video. First up, RewriteSomething is a content rewriting tool designed to save you time by instantly rewriting text with incredible accuracy. Whether you're looking to tweak an existing article, enhance a blog post, or simply need fresh content, this software is a solid solution. But here's where it stands out. It doesn't just paraphrase. It understands context, tone, and structure, which means the end product doesn't feel like a copy-paste job. It feels like original content. One of the most notable features is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other tools that feel cluttered, RewriteSomething has a sleek, simple layout that makes it easy to get started without a steep learning curve. All you need to do is paste in your text, select your desired output style, whether formal, conversational, or even creative, and let the AI work its magic. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about speed. This is one of the fastest rewriting AIs I've tested. Within seconds, you'll have a rephrased version ready to go, which is perfect for busy marketers or content creators who need high output with minimal effort. Plus, the real-time suggestions make it feel like you're collaborating with a professional editor. Another key thing is the AI's versatility. RewriteSomething works well for a variety of content types. Whether it's social media posts, emails, or even long-form articles, this AI can handle it all. What's even better is how it adapts based on the type of content you're working with. It has built-in templates and tones that cater to the specific needs of different writing styles, ensuring that your final product aligns with your brand's voice. On the topic of customization, RewriteSomething AI offers extensive control. It lets you choose how much you want to alter the text. Whether you want a light rewrite that maintains most of the original meaning or a complete overhaul, you can tailor the results to fit your needs. That's a huge plus for anyone working in content marketing, where adjusting to a client's needs is key. One aspect that impressed me is its ability to handle SEO-friendly content. It doesn't just rewrite text, it also helps ensure the rephrased content maintains proper keyword density and readability, making it a great tool for SEO-focused creators. If you're trying to improve rankings or simply enhance your web copy, RewriteSomething is definitely worth a look. But of course, no tool is perfect. While RewriteSomething is fantastic for many use cases, it may struggle with highly technical or niche topics that require deep domain knowledge. If you're working on content that's extremely specialized, you might need to do a bit more tweaking after the AI has done its work. So, what's the bottom line? RewriteSomething AI has quickly become one of my top AI software recommendations, especially for marketers, bloggers, and content creators. It's fast, it's flexible, and it understands context in a way that many other AI tools don't. And as mentioned, you can try it for free using the link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, this one really stands out in terms of its simplicity and effectiveness. Lastly, if you're interested in other top AI software options I recommend, check out the description for links to those as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.